This is Susan Gare, one of the librarians at College of the Redwoods. This lesson on how to use CR Library's OneSearch catalog is updated for spring 2023. I'm going to show you how you can find books and peer-reviewed journals, but you can also find ebooks, videos, and other open educational resources. And these resources are selected by librarians for credibility, accuracy, and reliability. Searching OneSearch is open and free. However, some content is accessible only to current students, staff, and faculty at CR. So you may be prompted for your WebAdvisor ID and birth date. To get to OneSearch from the CR homepage, we're going to scroll down to a row of buttons and click Library. And then we're going to scroll down again to another row of buttons and choose Find Library Books. This brings you to the basic search page for OneSearch at CR. The default search is to search everything. So our physical books and ebooks, and physical videos and video databases, some of our journal databases, the ones from EBSCO. You can also change it to just searching the Del Norte Library or our physical book and video collections. We're going to keep it on everything. And let's say we need a book to help us do some library research. So I'm going to type in library research here and hit return. And I'm going to, because I want a physical book, I'm going to come over here to the refine your results section, and I'm going to limit it just to the books I can find at the CR library in Eureka. So I click that box and I click apply filters. And I really like the sound of that first book there, A Guide to Library Research Methods. I see it's available in the general collection, and that's the call number or the address, where you'll find it in the collection. If you want to find out what other books we have on library research methods, you'd click the title, because you can do a virtual browse of our physical collections from our catalog. So I click virtual browse. It takes me down to this section here. There's the book that we clicked to the record of. And then just to the left of it is a book called Research Strategies, Finding Your Way Through the Information Fog. And then just to the right of our book, the College Students Research Companion and Research Skills for Students. Let's say for this assignment that I also need a peer-reviewed journal article, and I'm doing a paper about library research at the community college level. So I'm going to add the terms college or community college to my search, and then hit enter. And then I'm going to limit it to peer-reviewed journals, because my instructor said that I had to cite at least one peer-reviewed journal. And then I'm going to click Apply Filters. And then I'm going to start looking at my results. I got a lot of results. Scrolling, and I like the sound of this one on information literacy and research method competencies in urban community college psychology students. It was published in 2015. That's fairly recent. I'm going to go ahead and click on the title again, and to actually view the article, because right now I'm just in a record about the article, I'm going to go to the section View Online. And the database in which the article appears is a clickable link. So EBSCO Host Vocational Studies Complete is the database in which I'll find this article. So click there, because when you're off campus or using campus Wi-Fi, you have to use this login screen. It verifies that you're a student or staff or faculty at CR. If you're a student, you fill in your WebAdvisor user ID and the 8-digit form of your birth date, and then click login. And here I am at the record of the article. I can download it. I can export it to Noodle Tools. I can grab the citation format. Let's say I'm writing this paper and it has to be an APA style, and so I can copy that there. Yeah, so that's kind of where I want to stop to keep this video fairly short. I'm going to stop here. If you want to know more, let's go back to the homepage of the library, and I'll show you how you can get some more help. That you could give us a call at 707-476-4260. You can also use the Ask a Librarian form to send us an email with that form. You can also chat with the librarian now, and that service is now 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And we look forward to working with you.